My name's Dr. Grant White-Mackery. I own the Whyte House cosmetic dental practice in Topsham. The reason I've got involved in All on 4 is a very exciting part of dentistry now. Basically, patients can come in and they can get their teeth out and teeth in a day. It changes people's lives.
All done in one day, and went home and rang everybody I knew.
I had no pain at all. I was never ever in pain, which was marvellous.
And I can look to the future with a great deal more confidence.
It'd be easy to ask what problems really I didn't have.
The denture, I had to use adhesive all the time, maybe twice a day. So it was awful, and the fear of that denture, you know.
Top teeth were very crooked because of tooth loss, and I'd lost a tooth which made me very, very reluctant to smile, and I've always thought I had a nice smile.
I had a top jaw that is smaller than the bottom jaw, so I never had a proper bite. I had a long-standing bridge which had broken, and I was going round like that, not going out very much. And just to add to the mix, I was dentist phobic. So, yes, I had my problems.
The benefits of this treatment is endless. Patients who have had problems with dentures, with them rubbing, with glue, too much glue, with the worry that they may fall out. This advanced treatment has just removed all those worries.
They've supported me, particularly on the day of the procedure. Everybody was very, very, they couldn't do enough, and also there's been follow-up phone calls to see you're okay.
I think the whole practice and the staff are very, very professional, and the attitude is very, very good as well. And they're, you know, friendly, and there's no fear.
Well, the big issue for me was being dentist phobic, but I could walk in here to a friendly atmosphere. We could even have a laugh. The lovely dental nurse, Becky, and I had our favourite tape that she always played for me. Amanda on reception is just so helpful, it's not true. So, and Grant is just very, very cool. So, for the first time ever in a dentist chair, I relaxed, which is just as well, because it's quite a big procedure that I've gone through. But I came out without pain, and despite the inevitable bit of swelling, still smiling.
Our customer care at the Whyte House is second to none, and from the moment the patient rings up to the completion of the treatment, it has to be 100%, and all the team are behind this. The team we have around me is quite extraordinary. We have surgeons who actually train dentists to carry this procedure out, and what better and more experienced surgeons can you have when they're actually training people to provide this service? I
can honestly say, and it was a long treatment, I'd say a good proportion of the day, I didn't feel any pain at all. If anybody had told me that in advance, I would have said, don't be silly. But I didn't actually feel any. And when it got to a tricky bit, the lovely Becky came and held my hand.
I was concerned about the surgery and the fact that there would be a lot of pain, but there wasn't any pain whatsoever. I never suffered 1 second of pain.
It seemed quite radical to have your top teeth out and then to be replaced by something. So I suppose I was nervous about the unknown, but because I was given the opportunity to phone Richard in the Northwest and have a good chat with him, and he was so clear and so supportive and so approachable that it just made me feel a whole load better about the whole thing.
I, for one, enjoy seeing the development from the beginning to the end and seeing the changes that can be achieved with this amazing treatment.
I retired last year for a very busy professional job, and I want to start enjoying life again. Now I can smile, I can do that.
Excellent investment. It really, I can't recommend it enough to anybody. If they've got a denture and they can have this done, then please go ahead and do it.
It is an expensive treatment. But how do you put a price on enjoying your retirement?
It is a more expensive treatment than others, but it is an investment that patients feel it's worthwhile. If you change someone's life for the better, and for many, many years, these patients are able to enjoy the benefit of fixed teeth and teeth that don't move around with no glue. Patients are finding it's worth it.
Even though it's only 2 weeks, a huge boost in confidence. I feel younger, I feel happier, I feel healthier. I was told, my wife told me the other day that I don't have to put my hands in front of my mouth anymore when I smile.
Having, as it is now, the feeling it's natural teeth, so fantastic.
I also have a bite now. I can eat without worrying about bits of the O-bridge dropping out, without worrying even about the food dropping out. I feel quite normal.
What we try and do at the Whyte House, no matter what treatment we provide, is to provide an experience. So patients who are either abroad or they're up country, they can come down here. We provide a chauffeur service, we provide an overnight stay in a lovely boutique hotel just down the road. We make sure your whole experience at the Whyte House is a pleasurable one. Partners also can come down. We also provide accommodation for them. We make it a pain-free experience. If patients wanted this type of treatment, they'd have to be raising sinuses, they'd have to be putting bone in. Now, with a skilled surgeon, let me emphasize, a skilled surgeon who knows what they're doing, like the surgeons we use, removes the need for that complex surgery, less post-operative pain and more comfort for the patient, and that is what is exciting about the all-on-4 technique.